Okay, I guess I'm recording. Let's make sure here real quick. Yeah, okay, I'm recording. Um, First of all, happy 4th of July, everyone. I wasn't going to do a video today, but this is just a screen recording video. But I wanted to share with you an app because I'm working with 3D text, and I'm going to incorporate this into my YouTube thumbnails. And I also want to mention that I have a Facebook YouTube thumbnail group. It's a private group, so if you want to learn how to create YouTube thumbnails, be sure to go to my Facebook YouTube thumbnail group and request to join. If you answer the questions correctly, I will approve you in the group. Picked up another member yesterday. Anyway, let's get into this. What we're looking at here, we're just got my main screen, but if you're looking here and you see the photos, and you go to the left and you see this 3D logo maker, that's the app. So let's tap on that, and I think it's going to probably flip me around and go to vertical. Okay, well now we're still on landscape. Okay, that's fine. This is great. Okay, and we have library. Let's click on library and see what happens here. Oh, we got ads in here, so let's get out of the ads. Oh, okay, those are my logos. Okay, let's get out of library. Let's just do create a test here. Okay, let's click into create.
Welcome to Paintball Hero.
Got to get rid of this app here.
Stupendous shot. Amazing.
Okay. Alright, then you got all your settings here. You got the text, you got the colors, blocks, shapes. Let's tap on logo here. Again, the only annoying part is there's apps. It's a free app, but you got to deal with the ads every 2 seconds. Okay, here's the logos, and I'm just going to type in test, and then I'm going to put in a background for it, and just to show you what I'm working with here. And so I'm gonna keep it, and I'm gonna work with this. So let's just type in test. Let's type in test here. So you got the different things. Okay, let's go with T. Okay, now we can move this around over here. And this grid, this is the grid is, so now, and you go on these arrows, and what I like about it is you can kind of grab it by the corner. Okay, there. Okay, and then you tap again. Okay, now let's go to E. We're just going to kind of make kind of a crazy looking thing here. Oops. And I like to use different colors, but I'm working on with different things. There's my E. Let's adjust that and turn that a little bit. We're just going to have fun with this here. Okay, TE. Now let's go with the S. And then we'll put a background on it. What I'm working on, what I'm trying to do is have these 3D text with a background, and you really want complementary colors. You want it to stand out, so it pops out, so when people look at your thumbnail, they're going to go, wow. And you know, if the title, if you have you see the two things, especially in 2019, the two main things really to get people on your thing is the title. You got to have the title, a good title, catchy title with a thumbnail that pops, and the key is to make sure that the content of your video matches the thumbnail and the title, because if there's a mismatch, that's spammy and you're going to get in trouble, and you could lose your channel over it. So really, you got to be consistent with the thumbnail, with the title, and then with the then you got to deliver on the content. I always work with the thumbnail first, then the title, then I know what content I'm going to do. So once I know what the content is, then the first thing I do is I work on the thumbnail based on the content, then I work on the title based on the content, then I put it all together. Okay, let's just go with the S. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to point out here. Let's go with the S and scroll that down and move that up here, and then have another crazy T, different looking T here. Yeah, let's put in this purple T. Okay. We're gonna have that kind of. Okay, move that over there, and that's within the grid. Okay, there we go. We got test. And now let's go with a. Well, I could put a shape under here just to show you what kind of a shape do we have. Oh, we have a shape. We have kind of a something that points up. Maybe an arrow. See what kind of a shape we have. Oh, here we go. This is kind of, it looks like home plate, but we'll put the home plate here. Okay, we'll have the home plate. Oh, I want the, oops. I gotta turn this around here. I want the home plate smaller, and I want it to point up at the test. Okay. Now, I deleted it. Okay. Let's go with a. Okay. Let's go with a. Oops. Let's make that smaller. Let's make this a solid color. And I think I can make this a color. Let's see. This is you gotta. Let's see if I can make this a color. Go with the blue. Okay, there we go. Tap that. We got a blue home plate, but it's pointing up to test. Let's go into the back here and see what kind of. Okay, another ad. All right. Okay. Oh yeah, it's all gonna combine like this. Okay, this is my background. I want to make kind of a, let's see, some of these are brown, so, and that's blue. Okay. Let's kind of get something where it's all going to, let's try this background. Okay. Oh, we gotta move everything over here. Or let's change the background. Okay, that'll work. Okay. Now, okay. Let's go back to text. Oh. Cancel. Okay. Cancel. Oh, yeah, we wanted to move. Okay. Alright, I gotta move all my text over. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Move this one. Well, we'll just have this tested. Okay. Okay. We'll just have it over here. Okay. S. S over there, make it a little smaller. Okay, E over here. No, oh, I got rid of the E. Okay. Well, fine. We're just gonna put TST because this is just a test. So, but as you can see, this is what I'm working on, and then you got to make sure it's in the grid. Otherwise, you're going to cut off your letter here. But this is what I'm working on. I'm not even going to save it. But as you can see, there's a lot you can do with it. It is a free app. Anyway, I just wanted to get this little video out to show you how to make 3D text. Then what you do is you hit down here to save it. Then you save it, and what I do is I save it to, because I'm on my tablet. So what I do is I save it, and I save it to Google Drive, and then I go onto my laptop. Then I download it from there from my laptop. Then I go into my photo editing software on my laptop, and then I go ahead and do the 1280 by 720 dimensions, and create the rest of my thumbnail that way. So I'm just going to discard it because this really isn't anything. So, but there you go. There you get the basic idea here. Let's just get out of here. Let's see if I can get out of here without saving it. Okay, good. All right, now we're done, and I'm going to stop the recording.